All right. Okay. Market's about to open. Pretty big drop from the over the weekend. Really, what we're watching now is if we hold lower level support, pre-market low, or if we break below, in which case we're looking for a move to the downside. Pretty standard stuff. At least wait for the first 5-minute close, and then we'll go from there. Throw on some music. It wants to let me. We got a test of the pre-market low on NQ. ES didn't quite get down there. Yeah, we'll see. NQ's back below. ES is testing it. Let's see if my Discover Weekly gave me anything good this week. I'll give it a bit more time, So far, we're holding the pre-market low. ES may be looking a little bit weaker at this moment. At the moment, nothing. I want to see a 5-minute close outside of the range before I take anything. I wouldn't want to short off that 5-minute candle the way it's looking right now, especially when we have this kind of support zone here on NQ that we're holding as well. Yep, and we get that little pop on NQ. On the ES, kind of close right here, we're retesting this, which might be a little bit more interesting. Where's that EMA at? Yeah, so we didn't get the close below the pre-market low, but I actually kind of like that. A little bit of a bear flag. I believe we have news in a few minutes. Let's see here. News at 9:45 and then at 10. So. I said I like the rejection here. It's not something I'd take right this moment. I'd want to see some more sort of confirmation. But if you were able to get in around that EMA, around 395, and take it down to like here, that's 10 points. It's pretty impressive. But yeah, that closed pretty strong. We do have this, what should be resistance right here. Good NQ is doing. NQ is really strong, so I'd probably wait. I don't think I'd try to fade it at the moment. So we'll avoid anything at the moment. Alrighty. Looks like a pretty nice move now. Rejection off that EMA. Like I said, if you get 395, well, we're already down 7 points, 8 points. Pretty nice. If you get new lows, you're looking at over 10 points on that. Really nice, like 12 points, that'd be huge. But we're still watching this 15-minute. We're at that first 15-minute, and we have news coming out in 4 minutes. So if this 15-minute closes and holds this level, I would still be very hesitant to short, though. Rather be patient than too eager. Alrighty. Oh, excuse me. Trying to work that drawdown. We're not working with a lot, a little under 500. Better than it was. But we're trying to get that drawdown up. We're trying to hit a payout is what we're trying to do. Alright, so here's the news. Not really doing anything. ES definitely weaker than NQ at the moment. So far, nothing. Nothing worth taking at the moment. To me. Hang out. Be patient. Hmm. All right. Excuse me. Well, still kind of struggling to close below that pre-market low there on ES. Got some really nice volatility or like moves in the pre-market. Now looking a little bit choppy. NQ getting up towards that 200 EMA. Guess it's still got about 40 points. Volatility is definitely there. The moves are pretty substantial. It's making. Yeah, everything's kind of just popping off right now. Oh, excuse me? Alright, there's the 200 on NQ. I would expect a little bit of a pullback because we did a straight run up to this level. I'm not expecting it to like drop necessarily, but it should face some resistance here. We'll see. Have news coming out in 8 minutes. We're in the pre-market range, so that pre-market range is pretty large. I probably won't take anything within this range, which might prevent me from really taking any trades today. We'll see. Hindsight 2020, but this flip and hold of the EMA here and then move up to the 200 is absolutely beautiful. Like a nice 100-point move on NQ. That's crazy. It's moving really well. So it would be nice to get a trade today. If you can capture a trade, you're gonna get a lot of points, and that would be very nice. I'd love to catch, 50, 60 points on NQ. That'd be fantastic. It would help significantly getting these accounts out of drawdown and getting closer to where we want to be. Base hits work, but if you can squeeze in a nice big win here and there, that definitely accelerates things. Yeah, Discover Weekly's hitting today. Alright, NQ is unstoppable right now, it's just pumping. Five more minutes still need. This like 40 was that. Alright, continue to wait for a setup. Nothing's really even close to presenting a setup at the moment. I'd rather not. No, we're not even 30 minutes into the day. There's no reason to take something that I don't love. Alright. And Q's still struggling with that EMA.
Summer came in on a Sunday, hit me like a drunk on the subway. Yeah, baby, I
1 minute until news. We'll see if it does anything for us.
and vines in the valley. Took me on down to a basement, underneath the jungle pavement. Kissed me like I was dying. How did she know I've been trying?
There it is. News is pushing us higher so far. Looks like just about to hit new high a day. There's new high a day on NQ. ES as well.
Hanging on the Wednesday, I say, maybe she was meant for Broadway. Oh, tell me how it was before me. Tell me, did she get so lonely? All in all, it was helpless,
Excuse me.
Now what's the
shots ring out all through the night. Here comes Jimmy Valentine in his worried fright. Sees the white man laying in his blood. Oh my God, he tells a story like a whirlwind. Man who shot that boy stands behind a courtroom like his tears begin to fall. The judge and jury don't believe him none. They gave him life. They put him in a jail cell. The years go by and now he's getting old. These four walls will always be his home. Time moves slow.
And Q looks like, or ES looks like it's ready for a pullback here. Tapped off that 200. Oh man. Boring so far.
A tablespoon in his dirty hand digs right through. He waited all night till the time was right. The guards are sleeping, so it was time to go. He crawled down through the cold dark hole. Run, boy, run. He's on the road now, he's headed home. Hopped on a freight train, watch him as he goes. Headed off to a distant land. Catch me if you can.
Ugh.
He's on his own now, time to start a life. Eyes are
I don't know about this one.
focused on life. Got
What the hell is this?
sugar man.
What is this music? Booty and the Kid in camp. This could be good. I don't know.
Time moves slow when you're running from nothing. She said there's no loving at home. There's butterflies in her stomach with me. Let's live free. Let's get away from this shit. Go out west like outlaws, like Billy the Kid. Love like all my poems, got my baby stone. Sold I ever owned, lying below. Last year was like a past life.
This shit sucks. What is going on? Songs have not been on point. It's like weird emo baby music. Well, continue to wait. See if the setup presents itself at the moment. Not yet. Oh man. Oh man.
tree, my honeybee. We could take a swim deep down inside your soul, where the peaches grow. When the nighttime comes, baby, it's alright. We can take our time.
Debated taking a short right here. I actually debated taking a short here. To lose that EMA. Looking pretty weak on all time frames. 15 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes questionable. But the rejection here maybe. Trim some at 48.
Lose yourself in my dreams tonight. I can find you now. I can find you now. 'Cause you're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. You're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. You're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. 'Cause you're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. You're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. You're the one I love, I love, I love, I love. Oh, you're the one. Oh, you're the one. Oh, you're the one. Oh, you're the one. You got that move that made me want to dance and sing. You got that move that made me want to dance and sing. Let me fall right down into you. You're my cherry tree, my honeybee. Let me fall right down into you. You're my cherry tree, my honeybee. It's been a long time since I've been on the town. I can't remember now what I was
Yeah, well, nothing really for me to take.
I wanna get fucked up tonight. Living it up, washing it down. Wasting my days with a little care.
Pretty ugly at the moment.
Living it up, washing it down. We just
Continue to wait. Give it till like 11 or so. We'll sit around for another 45 minutes, 40 minutes. See if anything really presents itself, but at the moment, it's pretty ugly. 15-minute looks nice for a pullback.
Don't need you messing with my head. I can do that on my own. All these thoughts running through my head while I'm in my bed alone. I wish I could know the truth. I wish I could get over you. Don't need you messing with my head, 'cause all my thoughts already do. Oh, all my thoughts already do. Whoa, now and then I'll think about you. I'll admit it's something I don't choose. Like a marathon you run through my brain. I can see the finish line in my mind looking same. I don't like how we ended then. What's the worst of thought this brings? I'm just hoping that I'll move out and out of what next one day will be gone. But something tell me it won't happen soon. Know it will like it always do. I'm just hoping I don't get consumed. So until then I gotta sing this tune like, don't need you messing with my head. I can do that on my own. All these thoughts running through my head while I'm
If I do take something, I downsize, so it'd only be 2 contracts per account. It's pretty volatile, so my risk to reward, I'd be targeting larger reward, but consequently probably have larger risk as well associated. The reason why I'm considering this is because we are rejecting off this area, rejecting off the 200 EMA. 15-minute looks nice and weak. That's kind of what I'm thinking there. We'll see.
Don't need you messing with my head. I don't need you messing with my head. I don't need you messing with
That really depends on this 2 minute. This 2 minute closes above that 200 EMA. Completely uninterested. If we reject and close below, I'm interested. But the fact that we kind of held in here and now we're moving higher, that would be the highest close that we've had on the day. On the 2 minute, and if it pushes a little higher as well on the 5 minute. So I guess the 5 minutes still has quite a bit of time, but this area is only going to hold as resistance for too long. You know, if it continues to test, continues to test, continues to test, eventually it's going to break. The people selling here will eventually kind of fade out. They'll have already sold, right? So we closed above higher, got the highest close that we've had on the 2 minute, opened above the 200 EMA. I now see this more bullish, so I'm not interested in taking this short. I'm not interested in taking long either. Make that very clear. Even though I'm pretty sure it goes higher, but
There's way too many people in this building. All these girls are holding on their bottles like they're children. I'm just trying to find you in the mosh pit. My head in the clouds and my hands up to the ceiling. Damn, that's some heat. How you keeping cool? It's a million plus degrees. I've been dragging out my high since you got tangled in my sheets, baby. Won't you come through? I'm having one of those weeks. Oh, I miss my exit on the freeway. Just think about what you gon' say when I pull up and I step on out there. I lose my focus every damn day, and the only hope that I find my way is that way about you. Ain't no doubt. Been rolling up my ganja like it's stolen.
Alright.
Little mama, what you wanna do? Always got a lot on your mind. Baby, so do I, and all of it's you.
Yeah, I wasn't interested in that close, and then I'd be interested again, but we kind of missed it. We'll retest that, and then take it down to this EMA. That'd be the play. I think it's already playing out. Yeah. Looks really nice for a move lower here. Ooh, yeah. Da 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 da. Ba da ba da 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 da. Ooh, doo doo. See if we can get a see if we can get a fill here. And then I might add if we get back up to 200. Otherwise, we're looking for a. I mean, I'd love to see him move down to like here. If we get a nice move down, I'll put a stop at break even. Because I do want a move down here. I think that's very possible. I'd put it at like just like 48 or somewhere in there. Okay, we get back up here. I would add two more, and then I will make my stop just above here. And then I would put a take profit at this EMA here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. This should be 8. We'll see. We'll see. Might get stopped out here. If we do, then unfortunate. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out unless we get lucky. It's unfortunate. It looks like maybe we'd get a bigger pullback there on the other time frames, and we get stopped out unless we get really lucky. That's a stop out. All right. Damn, man. Ugly trade. Ugly, ugly, ugly trade. We're down 260 on the day. Bullshit. That's just gross. Well, I thought we were kind of topping out there. Looks like we weren't. We are unable to make any progress on this account for some reason. I make my way up, I make my way down, I make my way up, I make my way down. So, pretty frustrating. I think this is bullish now. So really at this point, I'll probably look to take this trade right here. Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna do this. Like a stop down here. And I want to ride profits, see if I can't get a break a high day. And then see if I can't get a move up here. That would be ideal. That 15-minute actually closed really bullish. And now I think we can move higher. Looks like almost a break out of this bull flag here. We'll see what we can do. And hopefully it doesn't stop me out 2 times in a row. That would be pretty painful. I'll give ourselves a little bit of room here. If we just continue to chop, then that's pretty unfortunate. And it looks like we might just continue to chop. Oh man, tough day. All right, a really good 2-minute close there. either hits or doesn't really. I mean, that's got like a 43-point first take profit, should be pretty solid. And then we're letting runners up to pre-market high. Hopefully we get that move. But this is looking pretty bullish at the moment, so I'd be kind of surprised if we didn't get it. I might make this like a little bit higher, somewhere up there, so it's closer to like 50 points. We did gap down, so maybe we get a move higher and fill that gap, which would at least get us to pre-market high, at the very least. I mean, that gap is higher than that, so it would be very nice if we could get a continued move to the upside here after we got that nice bullish close. Volume's not as high as it was on this breakout here, right? We got nice volume, one of the higher volume candles on this candle. Then we held, but the volume's kind of decreasing. I need to see volume remain higher and then a push higher, and then I'd feel confident about you know, maybe getting all the way up to pre-market high. But it looks like it could go here. At the very least, hitting this first take profit would negate some of that loss that I took earlier. And then, you know, even if it doesn't hit the final take profit, we're not going to be probably green on the day, but we could at least have a very manageable down day. That's the case, but I need to see some follow through here, and kind of struggling to give it to me. I want to see what ES is looking like. ES has yet to kind of break out. I think maybe ES is just lagging. It's got the 200 there. Alright, we'll see. We will see. NQ's been the stronger one today, so we're betting on the stronger one to win. But we'll see. ES could just also hit that 200 and reject before we get any sort of substantial push on NQ, which would be a bummer. Not looking good on the 2 minute. Not gonna lie, it's looking pretty bad on the 2 minute. So I might raise my stop to this. What is that? Like 19. Maybe a little higher here. We can avoid taking a huge loss. I think if I lose this trade, it might hit my drawdown though on my PAs, which would be unfortunate. It would be nice to get some carry through, that's for sure. Some follow through. Sure would be nice. Get some follow through. I don't think we're gonna get it. Let's give us a little bit more room. Oh man, looks like that's gonna be it though, unless we get some serious push, but what a bummer, huh? Not gonna give us a nice move today. Got a weird move to the upside in the morning and then just chops Yeah, it's not stop me out. Man, oh man, unfortunate that we can't just get some sort of continuation here. It looked decent. It's gonna stop me out. Unless I get some sort of miracle. Huh? Maybe a miracle. Maybe a miracle after all. Yeah, I don't. It doesn't look like it. Man, what a bummer. What some weird price action, huh? I don't really. I guess I should have just avoided trading within this range. It's probably the answer to all of my questions here today. Is that it was just gross, and I probably shouldn't have traded it. I really need this to push higher here if I want. I mean, obviously. Yeah. I don't know, man. What a weird day, huh? Really weird day. We have $9 drawdowns. So there's not really any point to. I don't know. I don't really know how to escape $9 of drawdown. Seems pretty fucking ridiculous if I'm being honest with you. I thought it looked good. You know, we came up, we flagged, we broke higher, we came down, we retested, we closed nice with the hammer, and then we just fell right through. Yeah, it's a tough one. I don't really know. It's a tough one for sure. But yeah, these accounts are pretty much gone. $9 in drawdown. There's nothing really. I mean, I got to the point where I was just bouncing around like $200 drawdown, and that's like one loss. And so I just have to perform perfect. And this market has been not giving me perfect performance opportunities. So I don't know, man. It's tough. I might just try trade evals. I don't know. I don't really know. Just try to YOLO it. I think we have I don't know. This is ass price action. We have 90% off on evals today, so I might try to send these. I guess I was actually, I made a mistake there. I wanted to do more contracts. I might add to this position. It's 2 minute closes below here, and we get a retest. Let's see if I can't get a nice, decent chunk today. Alright, go up, retest, and I'll add, and I'll double down. Do it. Alright, we'll see if we can
As you can, waiting all my life to be part of your plan. Let's stay together forever and a day. Let's stay together till we're old and gray. Honey, please come over. It's just like this hard. Life's just not living if we live it apart.
we're actually gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. I might try to get do this. Yeah, those are gone. I was gonna say $9 drawdown. You don't really have anything to work with there, unfortunately. All right.
We found each other and the world fades away. How much can we squeeze until night turns to day? When the morning comes, not going
That's a bummer. I was battling on those for so long. It was completely my fault, so we can do a lot better than what we did. That's for sure. I wasn't trading the smartest on those. I mean, my biggest issue was just my down days. And it got to the point where like my drawdown was just like having $200 worth of drawdown on an account. What am I gonna do? Trade one contract? It's just to the point where it's like probably more effective just to try to pass evals and then have a actual 2.5K drawdown available at the same balance instead of having the same balance with $200 of drawdown. Doesn't make any sense to me. So we'll this should be a decent move to the downside, I believe. The way we moved higher with no real structure, we've lost all the EMAs. And this should hit. I'd be amazed if it didn't. And then I'll throw up a stop loss when this does. It's super close. I think we missed it by like 1 point here.
Summertime fun, let's cross the line. I don't really know what I did this time. Feeling so blind, you should be mine. When you are around me, I just feel out of my mind.
If it drops at all right here, it'll hit my first TP. Maybe not. Where is it? How's it not filling me? Tickling it. It's just sitting there. I don't know how it hasn't. There it is. Sweet. Alright. So now I will.
Baby, oh baby, you drive me crazy. Pull up in the camera, Sunday afternoon is crazy. Easy breezy, beautiful.
I think we're gonna just try to let this go. I do believe that we could come up and retest these EMAs, and I don't want to get stopped out for break even just yet. I think we move lower. What are we at? We're in profit at this moment, so I think we're just gonna give it a little bit, and I might take. Maybe what I'll do is take off like. Take off a little bit more there, and then what do I have? I have 6 left. 6. I'll put 6 like down here. Now where are we at? Yeah, we're in profit on the day, so I think we're good there. And then I think we just want to see this run. And then I'll put stop loss at break even because there's no point to risk it, I guess. We've secured our win for the day on these accounts. That's a bummer that my drawdown was so small on my PAs because this would have been a winning trade on those. Yeah, it's a real bummer. Those PAs were so close to profit, and then I just crashed out for like a week straight. Very unnecessary. I just need to make it work, man. It's a bummer, but it's nobody's fault but my own. I just need to manage my losses better, and I would have been totally fine. This is almost to the point where I would add more. Like if we come up and retest here, I might try to add more. And then just, like, this is too perfect. Oh, ideally, if I could just get a nice move here and add, and then might be able to pass these actually today, which would be very nice.
It's been far too long to tell. Maybe I don't really care to know. Maybe I'm okay here in this yellow haze. Just wanna see which way to win.
Yeah, this is the move right here. On pop-ups, on retest, I'm gonna enter nice and short.
Caution swept away with it, with no elastic trace.
Maybe what I'll do is I'll add like 5 here. I might just keep adding to this position as long as it's looking good. It's looking great, so. Mm-mm-mm. All right, we want to see.
You take a long way home. You always find it. You text me whenever you're stoned. I try not to mind it. Tell me how you feel, baby. I know that it's real. Girl, won't you meet me halfway? And I might save you. I'll give you all of your space. 'Cause it's my place to hope we'll be together. You can't run forever, ever. 'Cause now I'm on your radio. You're hiding what you're driving with no place to go. I wanna be with you and tell you I miss you. Nowhere to run 'cause now I'm on your radio. Might be a little insane, but you're my soulmate. I'll know that
All right,
and it's a
36.
you can't lie to me. Girl, won't you meet me halfway? And I might say, I'll give you all of your space. 'Cause it's my place to hope we'll be together.
Now let's see here, 36. looking pretty good still. I'd love to see this move down. Get all the way down to this zone, that would be massive. Absolutely massive. Looks like it's setting up a nice bear flag. 5 minute looks good. 15 minute looks alright. 2 minute looks good. What the... Alright. Hopefully it breaks lower here. Breaks his flag and breaks down to like 120 would be great. It's only 11, so we still have some time before volatility should fall. Still have some time for a move to occur. Nice 2 minute close. If I can just get some continuation lower would be nice. Looking beautiful so far. We can clear that low a day, get down here. Very nice. Looks like it might. I would hope so. Very nice 5 minute close. Looks like a break out of that bear flag. That looks like a perfect bear flag setup. In which case we'd expect it to break, and if it breaks, it should drop a decent amount of points pretty rapidly. And it should hit at least a few of these take profits, and then we'll set stop loss to break even. Once we secure a nice solid move, then we'll completely de-risk. But I'm willing to take a little risk on these. They're evals. It's meant to have a little bit more risk on the... This is like a perfect setup, so we're not really too concerned. We're willing to take more risk on a nice setup, right? So I'd love for this to play out as it looks to be. We'll take a lot of profit right here if it pushes lower. While multiple contract or multiple take profits hit. Excuse me. I'm honestly not sure. Is that 2 5s? 2 5? And then we'd still have 8 contracts down here, hopefully for a longer run if it hits it. I just need this to push a little bit lower here. Looks like it's doing it for me. Nice. Alright, hit this one. Hit this one. Hit that one. Hit that one. You're so close. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. That's nice. It's a nice move. It gives it to me. Alright, we're just gonna take that off. And then we have 16 contracts. And we're just gonna leave this up here. And that would be a very nice move down here. I might move this one up a little bit. Somewhere up in there. Because we want to see a nice move to the downside here. Continuation, por favor. Alright, decent. Might get stopped out here if it comes up again.
Tired eyes, a briefcase, worn knees from an old place where the mountains flow and they turn to stone, mixed with the rock priced high.
We're trying to hit
Valleys where the glaciers mount
a solid dub today, so what do I need? I need like $800 from here. That's what are we at? Like 40 down to here. That's 40 points. Yeah, I'd need it to be a little bit bigger of a win, but we'd be very close. If we hit all these take profits, we'd be very close. We'll see. Maybe I'll put this like down here. Something like that, maybe. Get that to hit, that'd be phenomenal. I'll take some luck though.
You were with somebody else. I asked, is he just a friend? I thought to myself, I need them to end. Then a few months went past. Didn't hear from ya, didn't even see ya. You were already stuck in my head when you guys had split, is what your friend had said.
We get down to pre-market low. I think we pass these accounts. Should be. I might not even need that. We'll see. I really want to see us come down to this zone. That would be prime time. And I don't want it to stop me out of break even. That would be sad on these remaining 8 contracts. It's looking beautiful so far. It's absolutely perfect so far. Volatility's slowing down a little bit, but I just need this to continue down to that zone and we would hit a very nice win. I mean, that would be like $700 just off these this first trim. And then the runners at pre-market low would should make us eligible to pass these accounts. Right? We need 600 more dollars. Hmm. Wow, really nice rejection so far off that current 2 minute. Holy moly. Keep going. That's looking really good. Keep going for me. Yes, keep doing it. I'd really love to pass these accounts today. That'd be great. Guess I should have really just added super heavy up here when I initially got in. Because I re-added when we came up and retested here. I took profit and then I re-added. It's been working out really well, but I had a really good entry up here. Had I just went heavy up here, it would have probably would have already been out for the day. Yeah, keep dropping, buddy. Keep it coming. Just flush low. Hit low day. That'd be fantastic. Pre-market low would be phenomenal. I think that would do it. I think I would be able to pass all my accounts. Or all my accounts, my 2 accounts. Come on. Get down there, bud. Get down there. Things are looking good. New little swing low here. Broke below that low. Stop loss is now above the EMA, so we can ride that and not have to worry about it too much. Still got quite a ways for it to hit my first TP though. I think it can. Certainly can. It really has to want it. A 15-minute was nice. That was a good close on the 15-minute. Not really showing any sign of a bounce here. But it does feel like that momentum to the downside isn't empty, but feels like it's slowing down, that's for sure. Which I'd expect. It's past 11 now. Probably got another like half an hour of decent volume before things start to kind of fall. Very nice. Very, very, very nice if we can keep it going. Come on, man. Give me pre-market low. Go back down to pre-market low. Wrong way. I don't really see us making any sort of significant bounce before we get down to this zone. This should be our support right here. As you see, I'd expect us to come down to that point again. I'd be pretty impressed if it didn't. Look at it go. Come on now. Yeah, it looks like it's making that push. Oh man, look at it go. Oh, do it. Do it. It touched it. It got about as close as it can possibly get without filling me. Look at that. I think it touched it. It should hit. Hello? Drop like 1 point further and we're good. That's disgusting.
I go down east
You're not gonna give that to me?
to ease my mind. I do as I
That's crazy if it literally just ticks off my take profit and reverses.
because this world
I even put it a few points above my support. Come on, bruh. That's so dirty if it does me like that. Come on.
oh, the sunsets are more than I could ever hope.
I need you just to make a new low by, or not even a new low. Don't even need a new low. It's not the low day. I just need you to go a smidge lower. Ooh, it's being so difficult, isn't it? It's being so difficult. Alright, we're gonna take one off in here. And then we'll leave this. And I should be good if we get all the way down. And I need 6. So I have a final DP. I'm not sure that we'll get this final take profit down to pre-market low. It'd be over 100 points. So we'll see. Really, it's either I pass this account on this trade or we have to make another one some other day. But hopefully, if we get continuation down here, it's kind of a hope, right? It's a bit hopeful. Because we did kind of hit this target down here, or not quite, but this is a strong support zone. So if we bounced from here and didn't move all the way to the pre-market low, it wouldn't surprise me. Basically, we're just hoping that this EMA holds up. So far, so good. It's kind of held it all the way down. But it does feel like that momentum's kind of slowing down. Got 2 minutes left and it's 15 minutes. 15-minute closes like that, I wouldn't be surprised to see us move higher, and then at which point we should get stopped out. Or maybe not, you know? Maybe we close low here, and then we continue dropping. It's entirely possible. It'd make me happy if this could just be the trade that passes my account. I'd be pretty stoked on that. Oh, that's a very nice rejection right there on the 2 minute. Let's hope it continues. So far, so good. Very nice, very, very nice. Let's go lower. Let's hit that pre-market low, why don't we? Come on, don't be scared. Keep it going. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. $200 away from passing this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lower lows, make lower lows. That was a nice little jump. Might be wishful thinking to get all the way down there though. We'll see. Just keep scooting that TP down, or that stop loss, I guess. Trail it a little bit. Try to give it some room to work, but... still looks quite heavy. I think it might give it to us. We are 160 passing accounts. I might not even need it to hit pre-market low. I might be able to take it a little earlier if it gets down there. Yes. Oh, do it for me. Just flush low. We're so close, less than 200 away. If we can just get a move, let's get a move continuation to the pre-market low would be very nice. But it wouldn't surprise me if we kind of held in this area. This is an area of support that we kind of held earlier. I mean, we flushed lower, but I think we also had much more volatility in the morning to kind of allow for that sweep happen. But we're just gonna keep holding on here. It looks like we might get it. If we can drop lower here. We need $140 more profit at this point to pass these accounts. Come on. We're quite close. We are quite close. I'm going to just exit at market if we hit that 3,000 profit, because I don't need anything more, so we'll see. Nice. It looks like it's gonna give us a move lower. We're so close here. We're so ridiculously close here. Come on, just a little bit lower. You can do it. Flush down to pre-market low. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Alright, we'll take it right there. Cool. We just shorted this whole move down, added to our position right here when it came up and retested. That was beautiful. Just rode that all the way down. We passed 2 evals, we lost 2 apex, or excuse me, 2 PAs though. We were kind of trying to battle these, and then we were just like, we got to the point we had $10 to draw down. And so I took one trade, this one right here. It actually was a winning trade, but it moved like 1 point and stopped us out. So $9 to draw down wasn't really available in terms of like something realistic that you could trade. It's unfortunate. But we just got 2 PAs that will have a fresh drawdown and not $10 a drawdown, so I think we're good. I think we're good there. That's it for me. That was a nice move. Pretty subpar performance on those PAs. I got within $300 of taking a payout, and then I just sabotaged myself, so we're going to continue to trade and hopefully not do that again. Not hopefully. We are not going to do that again. Because if I just avoided tilting on red days, we would have been fine. Yeah, today wasn't tilt. Today was just, I had no drawdown to work with. And so I said, well, this either works or it doesn't. And it didn't. Could have been a little bit more patient, that's for sure. Something that I'll continue to work on. But getting there.